The Movcan V80 electric bike is equipped with a powerful 1,000-watt motor that allows it to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it perfect for tackling steep hills and rugged terrains. With a 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour removable battery, this electric bike offers a range of up to 70 miles per charge in pedal assist mode, providing excellent convenience and flexibility for long commutes. The full suspension system and dual-disc brakes ensure a smooth and safe ride by reducing braking distance and minimizing bumps, even in wet conditions. The 26-inch all-terrain tires are designed to provide excellent traction and stability across various surfaces, such as snow, sand, and gravel roads, making it suitable for all kinds of adventures. Offering 4 riding modes and a 7-speed gear system, the Movcan V80 allows riders to customize their experience to suit different terrains and personal preferences. The bike comes 90% assembled, and with a 1-year warranty, users can feel confident in their purchase, knowing they have access to professional technical support if needed.